Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I'm out here in the morning next to this tree here. This is a blackjack oak. You see that big tree right there in the front of it? Let me get you a little closer. You see this thing right here? Right here. This big old freaking monster. That's a poison ivy. Now I've got my Pollen Pro out here and I'm gonna attempt to cut it down with a chainsaw. It's so big that, I mean, well, you can see how big it is. I've got the wind blowing out here, so I don't know how well my audio is going to come out, but I'm starting my Pollen Pro from a cold start. It's frosty out here. It's got to be about 30 degrees. We're going to see if we can cut that poison ivy to death. Because I was out here this summer, big old part of this blackjack oak got cut down by a lightning bolt, and it was all tangled up with that poison ivy. Boy, was it gnarly. All right, I'm going to pull on my Pollen Pro here. Now, can you believe this is a poison ivy? Look at how old that thing is. This is its little offshoots that came up there. That's the reason why they kill the trees. Them little roots go right on in there and suck out all the blasted juices. Can you catch how old this is? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's just inside colors. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 years this thing has been growing. You make sure that well, I'm in Missouri now. You got to make sure to get these things when they're small and in the ground. Otherwise, they turn out to be monsters. Look at the size of that tree. Look at that. That is huge. Now in the springtime, I'm going to come back out here. We're going to see little sprouts and offshoots coming off of it, just like these little things here. See where it grew out of the side right there? Yep, and this one grew out down here at the base. See where it grew out at right there? That one that I just pulled off the side? See, that grew out of it right there. Look at that. That's just absolutely insane. See? This is the time that you want to get them out because all that poisonous, gnarly sap, that black, greasy sap isn't there anymore. Because in the wintertime, all that sap goes out of the tree. I'm just going to let that big old monster right there just kind of hang out forever as a memory. And I'll make another video this spring to see how fast that thing grows. I'll take like a picture every day or so when it starts sprouting to see how fast it grows. Anyway, that's how you kill monster poison ivy, with a Pollen Pro. This is a Desert Artist. I'm out of here. Have a great day.